Hi, I'm Krystal and thanks for joining me for E-Prime. What a weekend for entertainment. Best of the best in Miami, BBC One Big Weekend in the UK, and here at home, MKQ finale. We start off with the Magnum Kings and Queens Season 10 finals, where the anticipated clash between Jamaican Suspense and Japanese Rankin Punkin fell short of entertainment due to an obviously nervous Rankin.
You are taken. I'm gonna clip off of him. You got this. I'm gonna tap off of him. You did that. Hey.
The males, however, broke the Sing-J stereotype and stepped up to the challenge. In the end, Simatic and Suspense took home the crown.
The most rewarding thing is that I got an opportunity to meet great people across Jamaica and loving people who support Simatic and show Simatic love.
I'm elated. I'm very happy. My dream just began. Thank you very much.
The show opened with the host performing her single Lifestyle. Fans were entertained by some of the favorites this season, and after the crowning, non-televised performances from Shensia, Ding Dong, and the Queen of Stage, Spice. Spice, just back from her Europe tour and who was also about to set off for Best of the Best in Miami, spoke more about work on the road.
It was very successful. I did over 30 shows and I was there for 6 weeks and all the shows were sold out. So I must say, it was just a good experience for me. Europe is not a place where they normally get a lot of dancehall supporters, and for me to go there and to bring out so many people in the cold, it was a good experience.
But still on the show, Rankin took to social media after the finals to voice her concerns about what she has labeled as racism. The artiste said in regards to Judge Scatterbarrell's comment during the show, the racist comment that he pushed generated some energy on some of the local population and also on the street. I was surprised because Japan is one of the biggest supporters of reggae music in the world since 1979 when Bob Marley introduced it to us. She went on to say that at the final event, persons were harassing and threatening to kill her, and so she failed to perform. Rankin Punkin, the first Japanese to make the finals of the show, received mixed reviews and created quite a bit of controversy this season. Reggae and dancehall were on show internationally with Best of the Best in Miami and BBC One Big Weekend. Sean Paul represented the island in the UK, joining big names like Ed Sheeran and Katy Perry. In Miami, dancehall's best, Conscience, Ioctane, Spice, Dexter Daps, Jamil, Charlie Black, and veterans Barrington Levy, General Trees, and Josie Wales, among others. Now, with all that good publicity for dancehall, news broke on the weekend that the artiste known as Munga Honorable was taken into custody by the Hunts Bay Police and charged with murder for the fatal shooting of Cleveland Smith at Akiwalk in St. Andrew 2 weeks ago. Munga Honorable, who turned himself in on Monday of last week for questioning, was released but subsequently called back to the station on Saturday to be charged. E-Prime will keep you up to date as this story develops. And that's it for E-Prime. Thank you for watching.